Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to do voiceover on TikTok. First thing we're gonna do is open the TikTok application, and after that we just need to create the new content by clicking and focusing on this bottom line here. Just click the plus button, and after that we can just choose which video that we want to use for the content. Okay, just by clicking this site, upload, and choose the video, and after we finish choosing the video, just click next. And now how to make a voiceover, please take a look on this right feature here, and if you didn't see or if you don't see any microphone symbol, just click this arrow. Now you can see here a voice, you just need to click it and just start doing a record into this video. Okay, let's try. My vlog today to train my vocal. Okay, and after you're done, just click done. My vlog today to train my vocal. Okay, and after you finish, just click save. My vlog today to train my vocal. If you just set everything, you get everything done, click next and put some caption, and after you're done with the caption, just click pause to pause this video into your TikTok account. And that's all the way how you do voiceover on TikTok application. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.